Hello, good morning students. Today we discuss about the mutation and their types. So how mutation is occur? So mutation is occur by the chromosomal aberration. Chromosomal aberration means if the number of chromosome increase or decrease in the body, then some changes is occur in the body. If the number of chromosome change means if the number of chromosome increase or if the number of chromosome decrease, so mutation is occur. Same as it is gene or point mutation. If the number of gene increase or deleted, then also causes the mutation. So today we discuss about the chromosomal aberration. Okay, clear here? So now we discuss the chromosomal aberration. Okay, so chromosomal aberration means this type of mutation. We know that chromosomal aberration is a type of mutation, or this mutation is affected by the number and structure of the chromosome. If the number of chromosome reduce or increase, then mutation is occur. If the structure of chromosome is changed, so changing the structure of chromosome also causes the chromosomal aberration. Okay, so here we discuss the two types of aberration: structural aberration or numerical aberration. Okay, structural aberration means if the structure of the chromosome is changed, if changes is occur in the structure of chromosome, so that type of aberration is known as the structural aberration. Okay, if the change is occur in the structure of chromosome, so that type of aberration is known as the structural aberration. Or if the number of chromosome increase or decrease in the diploid cell, if the number of chromosome increase or decrease in the diploid cell, so that type of aberration is known as the numerical aberration. So first we discuss about the structural aberration, means if the changes occur in the structure of the chromosome, so that aberration is known as the structural aberration. So structural aberration are the three types. We discuss here three types of structural aberration. First is here deletion, second is here duplication, and third is here inversion. Okay, first is here deletion, second is here duplication, and third is here inversion. Okay, so when portion or part of the chromosome, is lost, okay, when portion or part of the chromosome is lost, so that type of structural aberration is called the deletion. Okay, clear here? For example, here look at this place, this is the deletion. So this is the chromosome, structure of the chromosome. In this structure we observe here this part is deleted in this chromosome. Okay, these are the chromatids of the chromosome. So this structure is two structures are here is present, that type of, so here this structure is absent here. Okay, so this type of aberration is known as the deletion aberration. Okay, now we discuss the next structural aberration, which is here duplication. Duplication means when part of the chromosome, when a portion of a chromosome get doubled. Okay, when portion of chromosome or gene of the chromosome is double, so that aberration is known as the structural aberration. Okay, that type of aberration is known as the structural aberration. So in this type of aberration, here example is here duplication. This place, this segment is observed here, this part of the chromosome become double, so that type of aberration is known as the duplication aberration. Okay, and next is the inversion. Inversion means when the sequence of a gene in a chromosome is inverted. When sequence of a gene in a chromosome is inverted due to folding or rotation by 180 degrees Celsius, so that type of aberration is called the inversion aberration. Okay, so in this type of aberration we look at this place, this is an example of the inversion. So these are the chromatids of the chromosome, or this place you observe this segment is inverse, means this portion of the chromosome come on this place. So this type of aberration is known as the inversion aberration. Understand here? So this is the chromosomal aberration. So chromosomal aberration is occur here three methods: deletion, duplication, or inversion. Okay. Hello students. Now we discuss the numerical aberration. So numerical aberration is the part of the chromosomal aberration, or numerical aberration is the part of the chromosomal aberration. This numerical aberration is indicate here the number of chromosome is reduced in the body if the number of chromosome increase or decrease in the body. So that type of aberration is called the numerical aberration. Okay. So here is right here, a change in the number of chromosome is called the numerical aberration. This numerical aberration may be two type: euploidy, here is a U is missing here, euploidy or aneuploidy. Okay, euploidy or aneuploidy. When a set of chromosome is added, when in a diploid cell, when in a diploid set a set of chromosome is added or deleted, so that type of that type of numerical aberration is known as the euploidy. Okay, understand here? When a set of chromosome, when always in a cell chromosome present in a set, in a pair. So if the chromosome is added or deleted in the diploid set in a set, means 2 or 4 or 6. Okay, so when the chromosome is added in a diploid set in a set, so that type of added or deleted, so that type of numerical aberration is called the euploidy. Okay, or aneuploidy means if the number of when one or two chromosome is added or deleted in a diploid cell, so that type of numerical aberration is known as the aneuploidy. Okay, so first we discuss the euploidy. Okay, so euploidy means when a set of chromosome is added or deleted, so it is called the euploidy. Okay, so euploidy mainly are the two types. Euploidies mainly are two types: monoploidy or polyploidy. Monoploidy or polyploidy. So monoploidy means when there is a loss of one genome in a diploid cell. When a loss of one set of a chromosome in a diploid cell, okay, so that type of numerical aberration is known as the monoploidy. Okay, or when more than two set of chromosome added in a diploid cell, so that type of numerical aberration is known as the polyploidy. So it is a very important question many times in the exam: euploidy and difference between the euploidy and polyploidy. Okay, so euploidy means when a set of chromosome is added or deleted in a diploid cell, so that type of numerical aberration is known as the euploidy. Or polyploidy means when more than two set of chromosome added in a diploid cell, so that aberration is known as the polyploidy. Okay, polyploidy may be three types here: autopolyploidy or eupolyploidy, autopolyploidy, allopolyploidy, or allopolyploidy. Polyploidy may be three types: autopolyploid, allopolyploid, or autopolyploid. So autopolyploid means same type of chromosome set if in the diploid cell same type of chromosomes are present. Okay, if in a diploid cell same type of chromosome is present, so that type of polyploidy is known as the autopolyploidy. Okay, if the different types of chromosome set, if the set of chromosome is a different, two types of chromosomes are present, so that type of polyploidy is known as the allopolyploidy. Okay, or autopolyploidy means two different of genome but one is repeated here. Two different type of genome but one is repeated here. So A letter is repeated here. So that type of polyploidy is known as the auto-polyploidy. Okay, clear here? So now we discuss about the next part of the numerical abbreviation is called the aneuploidy. Okay, aneuploidy means when only one or two chromosome is added, when only one or two chromosome is added or deleted, one, not in a set, okay, not in a pair or not in a set. So that type of numerical abbreviation is called the aneuploidy. Okay, and this aneuploidy may be two type, hyperploidy or hypoploidy. Hyperploidy means when in a diploid cell, one or two chromosome is added. So that type of aneuploidy is known as the hyperploidy. Added means when one or two chromosome is added in a diploid cell. So that type of aneuploidy is called the hyperploidy. Okay, when one or two chromosome is deleted in the diploid cell, so that type of aneuploidy is known as the hypoploidy. So first we discuss the hyperploidy. Hyperploidy means when one chromosome is added in a diploid cell. This is called the trisomic condition, or trisomic condition occur in the Down syndrome or Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, same as it is when two chromosomes added in a diploid cell. So that condition is mostly occur in a plant, or that plant give the new species. Okay, and hypoploidy when one chromosome is deleted. Here minus indicate here one chromosome deleted. So then the number of chromosome become less. So that condition is occur in the Turner syndrome. Okay, or last is here nullisomy, means in this type of aneuploidy when two chromosome is deleted from the diploid cell. So that condition is called the nullisomy, or in this case individuals do not survive in the environment. Okay.